Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. My name is HARIZ HAZMAN and today I will be presenting our group project for the IMC413 subject. Let's start with an introduction first. I want to start with a little bit background about Petronas. Petronas or Petroleum Nasional Berhad is Malaysia's national oil and gas company and it was established in 1974. It is a Fortune Global 500 company and operates across the entire oil and gas value chain from exploration and production to refining, marketing and distribution. With operations in over 50 countries, Petronas is known for its strong emphasis on innovation, sustainability, and technological leadership. As the energy landscape shifts toward cleaner and more efficient solutions, Petronas continues to evolve in adopting advanced technologies and sustainable practice to meet the challenges of the future. In this transformation, one of its most important divisions is the Project Delivery and Technology Division, or PDNT. PDNT is a strategic engine that drives Petronas' ability to deliver large-scale capital projects and innovate through digital and environmental technologies. In 2023, PDNT completed 830 major projects valued at 12.3 billion ringgit, highlighting its significance in supporting both national development and corporate success. Through its leadership in engineering excellence, digital innovation, and sustainability, PDNT ensures that Petronas stays competitive and future-ready in the global energy market. PDNT operates as the center of excellence in Petronas. It provides complete capital project management from design to commissioning. It uses advanced technologies like STEER and VOLIN to simulate assets and plan efficiently. It also pioneers carbon capture, green hydrogen, and other low carbon technologies to help Petronas meet its net zero carbon emission target by 2050. This is the strategic impact of PDNT. Number one, it supports both national and global sustainability goals. It ensures Petronas projects align with Malaysia's energy security and green commitments. The division delivers operational excellence with a strong focus on governance, cost efficiency, and safety. It also drives green innovation, especially in hydrogen and carbon technologies. And lastly, PDNT empowers people too, with over 1,200 employees reskilled in 2023 and CSR efforts promoting STEM, biodiversity, and local community development. So, what is the PDNT division? It is a strategic division in Petronas. It plays a key role in engineering, project delivery, and technological innovation. PDNT handles capital project execution and oversees large-scale infrastructure in both upstream and downstream sectors. It also supports the energy transition by developing low-carbon technologies such as hydrogen and carbon capture. On top of that, it's leading digital innovation using tools like STEER and Volin to optimize asset performance. This is core business of the PDNT division. At the core, PDNT is focused on capital project execution, including offshore platforms, pipelines, and petrochemical plants. In 2023, it handled 830 projects for 12.3 billion ringgit. It's also heavily involved in energy transition tech like hydrogen and carbon capture. PDNT uses digital tools like Steer, Pollen, and Propel to ensure real-time monitoring and smart planning. From methane leak detection to cellular economy initiatives, PDNT also leads in environmental innovation, all aligned with Petronas' goal for net zero emissions by 2050. These are the activities of the PDNT division. Number one, capital project delivery. It helps to designs, procures, builds, and commissions infrastructure. Number two, technology, innovation, and R&D. It helps to develop CCS, hydrogen systems, and specialty chemicals. Number three, digital transformation. Using AI, machine learning, and real-time analytics such as Steer and Volume platforms helps to enhance project delivery and monitor performance with great precision. Number four, sustainability and decarbonization. PDNT runs initiatives like the Race to Decarbonize Hackathon, Zero Venting Solutions, and Circular Economy. And lastly, the division also plays a major role in talent and community development. In 2023, through the Future Ready Workforce Program, inclusion strategies, and CSR campaigns. Let's explore how information and knowledge play a vital role in PDNT and Petronas. Let's start with information, which comes in two forms: structured like KPIs, budgets, project timelines, and digital dashboards, and unstructured, such as reports, emails, environmental assessments, and communications. Next is knowledge. This includes technical expertise from engineers and specialists, insights from past projects, and documented best practices like SOPs and case studies. Finally, data to insight tools. Platforms like Steer and Volin help PDNT turn raw data into actionable decisions by blending data analytics with human experience for operational excellence. Now let's look at the formats in which this information is shared across BDND. Number one, structured digital formats like spreadsheets, databases, and dashboards on platforms like Volan and Steer. Next, unstructured formats include PDFs, email, technical reports, and meeting notes. Then there are visual and graphical formats such as 2D and 3D models, engineering drawings, flow diagrams, and GIS maps. Also, presentation and communication tools like slide decks, brochures, infographics, and stakeholder reports. And lastly, interactive and predictive dashboards support real-time analytics powered by AI and machine learning, allowing for scenario simulations and informed decision making.
Thank you, HARIZ. My name is AUZAIE bin RAHMAN. Now, I would like to present about how information is stored in Petronas physically and digitally. Okay, now we start with the physical information storage in Petronas. Okay, now first, Petronas have a secure facility which is access only for authorized personnel. For example, like ENP Physical Data Management by Organic. It start with 200 square feet and now have a 100,000 square feet. It support confidentially disaster recovery and a business continuity. Okay, the second one is a data center. Petronas have a Malaysia Petroleum Management (MPM), which is facilitate data collection, storage, and analysis throughout a field life cycle. It ensure data is accessible and secure for Malaysia upstream oil and gas industry. Okay, the lastly, Petronas have a privacy statement and physical safeguard. Privacy commitment, which is Petronas protect and personal data collect online and offline. It also a strict online to ensure physical files and sensitive document transparency on, for example, like what the data is collect and how it is used. Now let's take a look about digital information in Petronas. First, the Petronas have a secure server which is a data store on secure server. It follows strict administrative, technical and physical safeguard. It also protect against a loss, misuse and unauthorized access. Data may be stored inside or outside Malaysia due to Petronas global operation. It complies with applicable data protection laws. The lastly is a restricted access, which is a limited and controlled access. Its sensitive data transmit online is protected with HTTPS and encryption. Only authorized staff can access personal data to perform their duty, and the data stored in a secure server and a controlled environment.
So let's go to the cloud-based storage system and versus traditional storage management system. So what is cloud storage-based system? So cloud storage involves saving data on remote servers managed by providers and accessed via the internet. Some key benefits include remote access from any device, high capacity and bandwidth, and strong security and ease of use. So let's go to the traditional storage management, which is means using local physical drive to store data on site. Although it's an older method, it still have benefit such as faster access, user control security, and reliable recovery of data. So what does Petronas using on their storage management? So Petronas is use a hybrid data strategy which combining both cloud and traditional storage to manage its massive data ecosystem. They use cloud to select as a data factory, Azure Synapse Analytic, Azure Databricks, and EDH, which is a cloud-based central data hub. At the same time, they maintain traditional storage systems like the Petronas Geoscience Data Center, which manage physical geoscience data. This hybrid model helps them optimize operation while maintaining secure and structured data handling. Right, now I will be presenting about what are digital tools. So, digital tools has completely changed on how business communicate. So organization now use platforms like instant messaging, collaboration software, and project management tools to improve teamwork, increase productivity, and streamline communication. At Petronas, this tool play a vital role in enhancing employee satisfaction, speeding up processes, and reducing communication overload. So, what is a work management system? A work management system is a structured method to organize tasks, projects, and workflows across an organization. It aligns teams, centralizes tasks, and ensures everyone has the information they need to stay focused on important goals. Work management system offer centralized task tracking, better collaboration, workflow automation, integration with tools and data system, and security controls and results tracking. They also go beyond manual tools like email and spreadsheets, offering real-time visibility and agility. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's take a look what is a data mining. Okay, now what is a data mining? The definition of data mining is understanding its role in data science. In simple definition, data mining called as information mining is a part of data science which combined with statistic, algorithm, machine learning, visualization, and ethics. Data mining focus on discovering valuable pattern and insight from a large data sets. It covers all type of data, text, image, widely used in business, marketing, and research. The key process of a data mining is a typical data mining step, which is collecting data, cleaning and processing, analyze data, and extracting meaningful knowledge. Okay, now from this slide, we can see a data mining in Petronas have three operation. First, a data mining for subsurface analysis, and a second, a data mining for predictive management, and lastly, a data mining for operational organization. And now, a data mining for subsurface analysis. A Petronas use a MyProData platform. MyProData platform access to raw and process and interpreted and subsurface data. It supports seismic and non-seismic studies. The Petronas also use AI and machine learning. It collab with the ESA, which is Earth Science Analytic, and AWS is Amazon Web Service. AI driven subsurface workflow to speed up exploration and data analysis. Now we go to the data mining for predictive management. Petronas use a PMMPD known as a predictive maintenance and machinery performance diagnostic, a AI power tool to identify irregularity and anticipate equipment failure in advance. It also a AI power predictive maintenance system, over 495 million model across a 370 machine. So next we go to Fluid Eye. Fluid Eye is a Petronas tank elementary system that enable real-time monitoring of tank across the operation. It also improve replenishment and stock efficiency. Now the data mining for operational organization. Petronas use a work management system as a AI use 20 plus years of planned data for real-time optimization. It also reduce startup time by 40%, carbon emission by 10%. It also empowers staff to solve a problem with the data analytics. Next, we go to the Stella and Citizen Analytics. This is a AI tool to unify a dashboard with over 180 data fields. It also track KPIs across a planning, scheduling, and production. So the lastly is we have operational optimization in Petronas. They have two operations, which is first digitalization and technology adoption. The second cost efficiency and resources optimization. So the resources optimization. We have operational optimization. Okay, now the second one is digitalization and technology adoption. From the slide, you can see a remote operation, which is a first remote op platform who test at Malaysia in the offshore reserve. It's also a cutting OPEX by a 30%. The remote operation give a employee to allow for a quicker and a more intelligent decision making. So next we can see the asset performance management APM, which is a pivot a DA and plan facing analytic for real time monitoring. It's a predictive maintenance, give a few failure and a downtime. It's also a support safety and a sustainability. So now we go to the last slide from me is a cost efficiency and resources optimization. First, Petronas has a cost reduction initiative. It gives an internal cost optimization to handle crude oil price volatility. Petronas also focus on financial discipline and operational effectiveness. By incorporating environment, social and economic, Petronas has creating a robust and supply chain optimization. It give a support local vendors and a regional supply chains. It's also life cycle thinking to ensure sustainability and a product more safety. And it also integrate global best practice to reduce risk and improve quality. That's all from me. Thank you.